I request all the learners go through the video again and again to understand it properly. If you want to learn with the sutras, you have to approach the teachers. Welcome to our next lesson. Video number 3, Vruddhi Sandhi, part of Swara Sandhi. Let's move on to the rules. Let's know the rules. Vruddhi Sandhi. There are 2 rules in Vruddhi Sandhi. Rule number 1, a or a plus a or I, then both the letter merge each other and it forms one single alphabet I. Same way, a or a plus o or o, both merge and form a single alphabet O. Remember, the first word should end with either a or a. The second word should start with a or I or o or o. So when a or I is available, the answer will be I. When o or o is available, then the alphabet O. Now we move on to the example for the rule number 1, a or a plus a or I. Then both the letter merge with each other and form I. Examples. Eka plus ekam becomes ekaikam. First word's ending letter is a. Second word starting letter is a. A plus a both merge and become I. Eka is ending with a. Ekam starts with a. So a plus a becomes I. Eka becomes ekaikam. So the answer is ekaikam. Kindly go through the box where the alphabets derivations are given clearly. Still you have doubt, you can give in the comment box. Now we move on to the examples. There are 12 examples given here. All these examples to be defined as if we have shown in the previous slide. So the first letter of all these words end with either a or a. The second word starts with either a or I. Now both the alphabets merge with each other and form one single letter I. Tena plus ekaha, tenaikaha. Eka plus ekam, ekaikam. Adya plus eva, adyaiva. Parama plus aishwaryam, paramaishwaryam. Mata aikyam, mataikyam. Prarthana plus esha, prarthanaisha. Sada plus eva, sadaiva. Tada plus eva, tadaiva. Maha plus aishwaryam, mahaishwaryam. Dhara plus aikyam, dharaikyam. Kala plus aishwaryam, kalaishwaryam. So let's move on to the next rule. Examples for a or a plus o or o become O. Let us see one example. Guda plus odanam becomes gudaudanam. O. A and O or O form O. The first word's ending letter is A. The first letter of the second word is O. A plus O both merge and become O. The first word is Guda ending with A. The second word is Odanam starting with O. Please note there is no short vowel O, only O. So A plus O become O. Guda becomes Gudau. The final word is Gudaudanam. Kindly see the box where the derivations are given clearly. Okay, let's move on to the examples. Again, there are 11 examples here. In all these examples, the first word ends with either a or a. The first letter of the second word starts with either o or au. So let's see this. Tava plus odanam, tavaudanam. Jala plus ogaha, jalaugaha. Tava plus odanam, tavaudanam. Jala plus oghaha, jalaughaha. Guda plus odanam, gudaudanam. Bhava plus aushadam, bhavaushadham. Tava plus audaryam, tavaudaryam. Dharma plus autsukyam, dharmautsukyam. Maha plus aushadham, mahaushadham. Maha plus audaryam, mahaudaryam. Maha plus oshadhihi, mahaushadhihi. Vidya plus aushadam, vidyaushadham. Maha plus oghaha, mahaughaha. There are more examples.